Good morning. I am Sudha Pandey, Principal Air Force School, Manauri. I welcome you all to Air Force School, Manauri for BIOS. On behalf of myself, Mrs. Pramita Singh is going to brief.
Good morning, everyone. I will take you for the round of our school campus. Let's move towards it. Here it is the board on which our school name is written because now the area of Air Force School is going to start. This is the outer area of Air Force School, Manori. You can see the greenery over here. Now it's a road, a broad road to enter into the school. This is the main gate of our school. This is the boundary wall of our school for the security of the students. Very natural atmosphere, fresh air, full of greenery. Now we are entering into the school campus. Now here you can see the inner boundary wall of our school. We have this type of boundary wall on all the four sides of the school. Now you can see the playground. Now we are moving towards the parking area of the school. Here is our transformer. This is property of Air Force School, Manori. Now we are moving towards our parking area. In this parking area, students and teachers both they can park their vehicle in a very systematic way. Students are not coming, that's why bicycles are not there. Enough space to park all the vehicles. Now you can see our playground where students play outdoor games under the guidance of our PT teacher. A very big field we have. Lot of students can play together at one time. Now we are moving towards our assembly ground. Here in between the playground and assembly ground we have badminton court. Our school building is visible from here also. Now this is our assembly ground where we do morning prayers or any important functions held in the school. We have big stage also. can see the stage, which is sufficient for any activity to be held. In our assembly ground, about more than 2,000 students can stand at one time. Now you can see the back boundary wall of our school. Here is the outer portion of our school. We have two roads divided for secondary and primary classes. The student use this path to go out and to enter into the school premises. Now here we are going towards the main entrance of our school. You can see the signboard of our school. It looks very beautiful from outer area. We have three entrances. Here we have three entrance and exit points of our school. One is in the center and one is on the left side and right side. This entrance and exit door is used by secondary student. This is the center, or you can say the main entering and exiting point of the school. On the top we have written Vivekananda's quotation, "Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man." Now that is the primary exiting and entering door. Now we are going to enter in the school main building premises. Here is the hall, a big hall we have. You can see the two floors of our school. It's the idol of Ma Saraswati, so that positivity all children could get. Now, here we are moving towards our office and principal office area. This is our principal office. Here, this is the first room where guests can come and sit. They can wait to meet the principal. Here we have all the information about managing members, nominal role of the staff, activities of the students. Now we are entering into the principal office. Our principal is doing the work. have LED displayed on the wall so that our principal can check through CCTV cameras about the activities of all the students, what the teachers are doing in the class, what the students are doing in the class. Here is a record of our principal. Photographs of different activities held in school. Now, here are the shields, trophies received by our school at different level of activities held by Maintenance Command and CBSE. Here are the certificates received by our school. Here is the certificate of award of overall excellence our school has received. Time to time inspection is done by our command, our management members. Here are the rolling on trophies which we give to the students. This is the freshener toilet attached to our principal office. Now this is our examination room, very confidential part of our school. It is attached to our principal office. Xerox machine. We have almirahs, lockers, so that examination department can keep all the things in a very secure way. Our teachers are still doing the job. We have our own Xerox machine so that we can do the printing of the paper in the school itself. Now we are going to enter in our account office. In account office, all the data record are kept by our accountant and clerk. Here also one LED is displayed on the wall. From here also we can see the visitors who are entering into the school. It is connected to the classes also, computer room also. Now, here we can give and take the attention of the teacher with the help of this machine. Here, important information related to teachers, students' fees, all these information are displayed in this account office. So, now we have come out of the account office and principal office area. Here we are having fire safety equipments In case of emergency, we can use these tools to stop the fire. Time to time SOP is also done. Our students are totally secure. How we can take the precautions, or what steps we can do, how to operate these tools related to fire safety. Time to time lecture is given from the officials of your school, and our MTS staff also are able to use these things. Now this is the ramp area. From using this, students can come down, and it is specially made for the physically, or you can say specially able children, so that they can move comfortably, come and go up to this first floor of the building. Now again, lot of notice board are mounted on the wall, so that when students move from corridor, they can learn, they can read, they can get awareness regarding the different days, World Diabetes Days, Environmental Day. Now here, this is our sick room. If the child or any teacher feels not well, they can take rest here. Medicines are provided under the guidance of doctors only. Now this is the notice board of our toddlers. Now this is our primary computer room. We are entering into the primary computer lab of our school, which is well equipped with all the infrastructures.
Welcome to our primary computer lab, and here we are having enough number of systems for the practical of the primary lab students, and these systems are having encyclopedias and enough sufficient softwares for the primary students, and not even the softwares of the primary students, even we are having some extra softwares also, those who are interested for the primary students. And we have a net connection also with the Wi-Fi, so that they will get the net informations also, or networking also we have. And apart from it, our students are doing the practicals here, and they were taking the classes in classrooms, and for the practical they were here. We have a AC in our computer lab, so that we are having a AC room, you can say. Okay, so this, we have a we have a 1:2 ratio. We are following the 1:2 ratio for giving the practicals for the students. The CCTV cameras we have. So our lab is under the coverage of the camera. So our students are also safe here. Thank you.
Here are the notice board related to house activities. We have 4 houses in our school. and they have to decorate the notice board according. We have dining room also, so that students can learn eating habits, good manners. Now this is the most attractive part of our school building. Here you can see the different pictures from where students can learn good habits, they can learn the things related to environment, different yoga postures, different dances, musical instruments. So that students can correlate with them. Now this is our HCPW room, where activities related to drawing and social useful productive work made by our children under the guidance of our SCPW teacher. All these things are made by our student. Paper work, drawing, pot work, things made of glitters, thermocol, wood, straws. That was our SCPW room. Now we are moving towards our music room, but before that I would like to show you the stairs from where students can go up to the first floor of the school building. We have 3 stair passage to reach to the first floor of the school building. We are entering into our music room, different dances and musical instruments under the guidance of our music teacher. We have lot of, in fact we can say we have all the musical instruments in our music room.
Namaskar, myself Sunita Pandit, TCT Music. This is my beautiful room, and here so many musical instruments. According to the timetable, this is online classes timetable we are taking, and the children came. This is old timetable. All the children from class 1st to 9, they came here, and these all the instruments: taal, bongo, harmonium, guitar, maracas, congo, DJ set, TV, with the help of TV, children do the practice steps of the dance, and this is the 2 types of Casio. those who are interested, they can learn Casio, Congo, bongo, tabla, whatever instruments are here. Children takes interest and they learn the musical item, and so different types of songs also I teach, like patriotic song, prayer, teachers day song, patriotic song, folk dance, folk song, different types of. And this is the CCA, co-curricular activities of whole year. We are conducting the competitions also. Every Wednesday we conducting the competitions. This is the circular register and result register. The session of 1920 CCA of circular register, record of CCA result. This is the session of 2021 circular register and 2021 result register. All the activities are here. Thank you sir.
So you have seen our music room. This is the open space area of our school where students can do the prayer. They can play here if the ground is wet. Now this is the first RO water point of our school where students get clean RO water. This is the girls' toilet of our primary wing. You can see the large mirrors so that students can look at themselves, clean them. In a row we have five toilets in 2 rows, which is cleaned by our RPS staff 2 times a day.